Getting 2 times to complete.
Why don't you stand up there beyond the curve? Maybe you can get up a little higher or something so we don't get in your way all the time.
So what you're trying to do is be the fastest rider out here. So they get 2 times to ride it. We'll take the fastest time. If they made an air-free run, we take a second off of the run. At the end of this, I will take the top faster, the 3 fastest guys and have a runoff for the number 1, number 2, and a number 3 place in each category. So the rope ski, the Harley, and the underline Harley, they run off against each other. And the BMW Honda will have a run off with each other. So overall, Chancy, good job. Chancy, PD. Next step is